PH Walkthrough brings you to the newly restored Freedom Park at Carbon Market in Cebu City. In this video, we will show you all the highlights of this newly restored park, which is now one of the new tourist attractions in Cebu City. If you are in Cebu City and you haven't been to Freedom Park yet, now is the time to pay a visit. You won't regret it. The Freedom Park was formerly a military training ground. Decades past have turned this public park into the city's busiest public market. Before it was restored, it was a sprawling city landmark full of fair trade shops in the traditional sense of the word. Those who were looking for handcrafts from Bicol or handbags from Leyte, carvings from Mindoro, or just any Philippine native product made from raw materials that met their fancy without the exorbitant add-on prices by mall traders and middlemen, went to Freedom Park. The locals commonly call it Carbon. As part of the joint venture agreement to modernize the Carbon District, the Cebu City Government, together with a private partner, Cebu2World Development Incorporated, will preserve the original location and revive the park's original intent as an open space that celebrates the ideal of freedom. On October 28, 2022, it was reopened to the public after its restoration. This is amazing news. The newly restored Freedom Park at Carbon Market in Cebu City is now open. Enjoy this virtual tour of the Freedom Park.